Welcome back. So this week we have a little bit of a Valentine's Day special. This drink, you can make it for your man, for your woman, for yourself. It's cute, great ingredients. It's called the Valentine's Crush. Has cranberry juice, vodka, grenadine, and Sprite to top it off. We have a glass, fill it with ice. I've sliced up some strawberries. It's kind of more for looks than anything else. The way you cut them just makes them kind of look like cute little hearts in the glass. Good touch for Valentine's Day. Okay, to start off with, 30 ml of grenadine. Straight in the glass, over the ice. Then we have 2 shots of vodka. Seems pretty excessive. I guess it's a strong drink. You could go 1 shot if you really wanted to. I probably would, especially in this size glass. 1 shot cranberry. It's a bit slippery, this bottle. And then the easy part. I really probably should have cracked this can first. And then we top it off with Sprite. Depending on how big your glass is, my recommendations, if you have a glass this small, 1 shot of vodka. Super cute. Super, super cute. Let's taste it. Yeah. Look, it is massive strong. Again, I think that's because we've got 2 shots of vodka in not a very big glass, right? If you had a bigger glass, 2 shots vodka, 2 shots cranberry, and then you get more of a top up of your Sprite, it would actually be, it's still great. It's just you can taste the 2 shots of vodka. There's not much else in here. Let's give it a bit of a stir. Because you do have that grenadine in the bottom of the glass. I'm wondering if that's gonna, yeah, once it's stirred up, delightful. Makes it a bit sweeter, tones down the 2 shots of vodka, delightful. Like all cocktails, when they're served to you, they're made to look super pretty. You've got to give them a bit of a stir, right? So, the Valentine's Crush is a winner. Make it this Valentine's Day. Comment down below and let me know whether you liked it, how it went. Did your loved one like it? I do. I'm definitely going to be making this one. Happy Valentine's Day.